So before we start, we need to pre-mix a couple of colors. So I've mixed a green, basically a primary cyan or a cobalt with some gamboge. I've also pre-mixed a peachy color, so basically a pink, adding some lemon yellow. And I had another color ready, which was a gamboge, the beautiful warm yellow. These are my colors that I start with. Work with a pencil, draw some of the shapes that you can see in your flowers on your paper while things are wet. You keep working really and dropping in colors until you are happy with that first layer. Remember, it doesn't need to be that dark yet. We then continue working wet on dry. I've mixed a couple of new colors that are stronger than the first ones I've used, and I'm just letting myself getting inspired by the shapes of the petals, and I'm exaggerating the colors that I can see in my flowers. Think about brush handling, how you hold your brush, and just enjoy the way the pigments work within the water.